All right, so for this next video, we're going to show you what classes might be appropriate for you if you plan on going to a two-year institution and then transferring to a four-year institution, which many of you will decide to do. In that case, you will get what we call a liberal arts associate's degree. That means you're just basically doing all of your general elective or general education credits that will then transfer to your four-year university. Some things you really want to make sure though is that your courses are transferring right out to your university. So if you are doing that and you know where you want to go, you want to make sure that you're communicating with that future college administrator or that future college advisor at your four-year university to make sure that the courses you're taking are going to transfer correctly. Most will, but that's just something you're going to want to make sure of, and that's something you can talk with your future college advisors about, and they should be able to help you with those types of questions. So I want to find a transfer degree here at Iowa Western because you're taking Iowa Western classes. Doesn't mean you can't then, when you graduate, go to DMACC and finish up your transfer degree there. In that case, you might only have to go to DMACC for a year or so to get enough transfer degrees to then go to your four-year program. So making use of Iowa Western classes will be good for that. So what you're going to want to do is hit academics up at the top. And then come down here, and if you want a general transfer degree, you're going to go to general studies. And then it gives you all these different options. What you want for a general transfer program is most likely going to be an AA degree. That means you're getting all of your arts and science classes done, which are those general education courses. Some four-year programs might want an AS, but most are going to want an AA just because that's more credits. So again, it explains what this is. This program is designed for students intending to transfer to a four-year institution. So then it gives all of these different types of classes. This type of degree, any of these classes, you can take while you're in high school to transfer. And so it also gives you all these, a social science elective, humanities elective. It gives you a distributive requirement, which could be lots of different stuff. Another social studies elective, another humanities elective, public speaking, lab science elective, and then a general elective. So there's basically just different elective courses, which means you get a lot of choice in what you want to take, okay? And so when I'm looking at those social sciences, general electives and stuff, I'll show you in another video later how to actually find and read those classes, but this just kind of shows you what a general transfer degree is going to ask you to have, getting an end result of 61 credits. Now, also remember that college classes, you generally get 3 to 4 credits for each class. So when it says here you need to have a distributed requirement 6 credits, that's probably 2 classes that you need to have. General elective 6 credits, that's probably 2 classes that you need to choose from. So that's kind of how you read those program guides.